I would've died for you, ho. You was never down to ride for me, though. Bitches Glock and I'm really going at it. Would've died, but I'm back. I would've died for you, ho. And to think you left me where I lay. Bitch, I'm about to get the Glock up and spray.
Who forgot that heat, bitch?
I really cried for that hoe. Bitch, I would've died for you, ho. Now let me say fuck you before I go. Can't believe I cried for a hoe. Bitch, I'm really going at it, feeling like a rap fanatic. Glock is magic and I'm not good at math, so I can't just go in at it. I subtracted, can't believe I messed with her. Get the pot and then I stir. Doctor, I think I'm disturbed. I've seen her fucking face. Memories I can't erase. I feel like I'm TK. Every time I see the hoe, I do the race. That was a pretty good line, like the yay that she was snorting. I just couldn't go and ignore it. That bitch is pretty boring, leave me snoring. Passed around the town, she be scoring. I'm just hating cause she left, but that's okay. Tell me why. Because I heard her new boy's gay. Ooh, I really cried for that hoe. Bitch, I would've died for you, ho. Now let me say fuck you before I go. Can't believe I cried for a hoe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate is Glock? No, I'll never stop. Headed to the top. Shout out all my exes. I just gotta do what's best and get the riches. Shit on all you bitches. Yeah, you're all on the hit list except one. Shout out I just do this shit for fun, but most of y'all will get mad and take it up the bum. What the fuck? Yeah, I said it. What the fuck? Y'all were messing with the wrong one. And Glock finally got mad and came undone. You're really not the shit, so don't act like a turd, ho. It's my girl's turn, though. You'll probably get embarrassed and have you hiding like a turtle. Fuck you bitches, Glock. I really cried for that hoe. Bitch, I would've died for you, ho. Now let me say fuck you before I go. Can't believe I cried for a hoe. Can't believe I cried and would've died just for half you bitches. Had to go and get it, told my goon to go and hit her up. She left you pretty bloody, that's why you don't fuck with family. That's why you don't run your mouth. That's why you don't fuck with steady gang. Steady gang. Hit you with them bullets and we let it rain. Fucking with you bitches brought me pain. Had to go and heal my heart. I should've done it from the start. But I don't fuck with half you bitches now. None of you. I got a girl and I'm happy now. Love you. Yeah, it's been Glock. I don't fuck with half you bitches now. Bow. Steady gang. Ooh.